Hand movements vocabulary in English. Joining palms. They join their palms. They join their palms. Cupping hands. He cups his hands. He cups his hands. Cuddle. They are cuddling their hands. They are cuddling their hands. Beckon. He beckons him over. He beckons him over. Point. She points her fingers. She points her fingers. Wave. They are waving their hands. They are waving their hands. Shaking fist. She shakes her fists. She shakes her fists. Tremble. He trembles his hands. He trembles his hands. Steeple. She steeples her fingers. She steeples her fingers. Curl. He curled his fingers. He curled his fingers. Twirl. He is twirling his fingers. He is twirling his fingers. Flicking wrist. He flicks his wrist. He flicks his wrist. Pinch. She is pinching his cheeks. He is pinching his cheeks. Interlock. They interlock their fingers. They interlock their fingers. Spreading fingers. She is spreading her fingers. She is spreading her fingers. Flex. He is flexing his fingers. He is flexing his fingers. Stretch. He is stretching his fingers. He is stretching his fingers. Wiggle. She is wiggling her fingers. She is wiggling her fingers. Drumming fingers. She drums her fingers. She drums her fingers. Rub. He is rubbing his hands. He is rubbing his hands. Cracking knuckles. He is cracking his knuckles. He is cracking his knuckles. Snap. He is snapping his fingers. He is snapping his fingers. Clap hands. They are clapping their hands. They are clapping their hands. Wave. She waves goodbye. She waves goodbye. Tap. He is tapping his fingers. He is tapping his fingers. Punch. She punched him. She punched him. Tickle. He is tickling the baby. He is tickling the baby. Pat. He is petting the dog. He is petting the dog. Press. He is pressing the button. He is pressing the button. Please like, share and subscribe.